Hi everyone! Want a strong, eco-friendly, resistant band that's pocket-friendly and made from recycled materials? This DIY resistant band uses an old water hose and braided rubber bands to give you reliable, resistant for stretching, toning, and full body workouts. It's lightweight, portable, and helps the environment.
FitHose band, since it's a handmade recycled product, our prices at 50 to 70 pesos, reasonable for a simple student-made fitness band. And also, we have 80 to 100 pesos if it's well-made or comes with packaging or in-straw. We also offer group discounts like buy 2 for 120 pesos.
So not only is this fitness band easy to use, but it's also eco-friendly, affordable, and great for your health. With this, you can stay fit while helping the environment at the same time.